Hello and welcome to the channel. Today we're going to talk about Machiavellianism, the art of manipulation and cunning. Machiavellianism is a personality trait characterized by manipulation and exploitation of others for personal gain. It is named after Niccolò Machiavelli, the Italian philosopher who wrote The Prince, a 16th century political treatise that advocates the use of cunning and deceit in leadership. Individuals who score high in Machiavellianism are often referred to as Machiavellians. They are skilled at reading people and know how to use this information to their advantage. They are typically cool and calculating, and are not afraid to use flattery or deceit to get what they want. They may also lack empathy, seeing others as means to an end rather than as ends in themselves. In personal relationships, Machiavellians are often viewed as charming, but can be emotionally distant. They are also prone to using people for their own purposes, and are often seen as untrustworthy by others. In the workplace, Machiavellians may be successful due to their ability to manipulate and exploit others. However, their reputation for deviousness may also lead to them being ostracized or rejected by others. While some Machiavellians may lead successful and fulfilling lives, the traits associated with this personality type can also lead to negative outcomes, such as strained personal relationships and ethical lapses. As a result, it is important to recognize and understand Machiavellianism, in order to avoid being manipulated or exploited by individuals who possess this trait. In conclusion, Machiavellianism is a personality trait characterized by manipulation, exploitation, and a lack of empathy. While it may lead to success in certain circumstances, it is important to be aware of this trait in order to protect oneself from the negative effects it can have. Machiavellianism is a controversial topic in psychology, as it is often seen as both a personality trait and a dark triad personality disorder. While high levels of Machiavellianism are associated with negative traits such as psychopathy and narcissistic personality disorder, it is also possible for individuals to possess Machiavellian tendencies without having these disorders. The Machiavellian personality is thought to have evolved as a response to social and environmental pressures, such as the need to compete for limited resources or the desire to gain power and control over others. Some research suggests that Machiavellianism may be more common in certain cultures or social groups, where competition and power dynamics are more pronounced. There is also evidence that Machiavellianism may be related to brain functioning, with some studies suggesting that individuals with high levels of Machiavellianism have differences in their brain structure or function compared to those with low levels of this trait. However, more research is needed to fully understand the relationship between Machiavellianism and brain functioning. In terms of treatment, Machiavellianism is not considered a mental illness and is not typically treated as such. However, individuals with high levels of Machiavellianism may benefit from therapy or coaching to help them develop more positive relationship skills and to improve their empathy and emotional intelligence. In conclusion, Machiavellianism is a complex personality trait that can have both positive and negative effects. While some individuals may possess Machiavellian tendencies without experiencing negative consequences, it is important to be aware of this trait and to understand its potential effects on personal and professional relationships.